Hi you guys, I received some happy mail today from winnings from a giveaway that was sent to me from Sanita Makes Crochet Items. Now I know anytime I say that I have happy mail, it's from Sanita. It's not my fault. She's generous and awesome and encouraging and pretty much the coolest person ever. But before I open it, I want to show you guys something that I thought was just the cutest thing ever. So she put stickers all around it. Let me show you the stickers. Her stickers are just the cutest stickers. Her thank you sticker. Oh my gosh. And then there's this sticker. This sticker is her emojicon. It looks just like her. And then her channel name. And I love it so much. I'm gonna peel it off and keep it forever in a not weird way. But let me open it and show you guys what she sent me. So the camera's far away from me today because yesterday it was like this close to my face. We're not gonna even discuss that. I'm very, very, very excited right now. If you can tell. We are opening. So I shall open.
I've locked the door.
This basically came from down the street. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Dude. Alright. Keeps the box. I'm so excited. Okay, what do I show first? I'm gonna show the giveaway stuff first. So basically what this is from is she did the one, you know how I was doing the 100 I can't speak words. So these are the winnings from the giveaway for the 100-day project. I'll link the 100-day project, her 100-day project video below. So let me show you what I got. So first I'm gonna show you, she sent the remainder 4 balls of the yarn that she used for her. I'll link the pattern of it down below in the description. So she made a poncho using this yarn. The poncho was designed by Spring the Fiber Enthusiast. So this is the yarn she used. Ooh, it's Italian style merino. It's merino. This is fancy. She also sent this little baby. It's a little project bag. It's so cute.
Marco, we must make a...
And opens just like
Marco, we must
like
make
one of those.
I see we're a perfect place to make a base.
So, oh, this is a pretty bag. This is a abacus row counter from Marianne the Crotchety Clogger. How pretty is this? The theme of her giveaway was polka dots and butterflies. And look at this detail, so pretty. I can't wait to use this, to learn to use it, because it's a learning experience. I've never used one before. This is very pretty. Look at the beads. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these from the Crotchety Clogger, she has an Etsy shop, Instagram, and the YouTube channel. The cool thing about this bag too is it has pockets for your notions and everything. This is so pretty. You know, this is beautiful. I really like how it snaps closed. It's like, hey, you're not gonna lose anything if I have anything to say with it. I love this. Sorry, I'm just gonna play with this bag all day. Anyways, let me stop doing that. Then she sent these dot crochet hooks too. It's a set of crochet hooks. You know what's great about this is I Can't find any of my crochet hooks. So this is going to be put to good use. I can totally open this box. Which one will I use first? Ooh, we have a 2mm, a 2.5, the 3mm, 3.5, 4mm, 4.5, the 5mm, 5.5, 6mm. So it goes from 2 to 6, which is awesome. Actually, it's funny because I needed another 4.5. I lost all of my, I'm just a mess. So, but wait, there's more. She put something extra in there and sent me this video.
Whoa, fancy seeing you here. You guys, I've gotten this far on this Carasa shawl. I think I said Corza shawl last time. But I'm not feeling this colorway. It's sparkly, it's pretty, but I don't think it goes with this pattern. So I'm gonna start over. Yeah. What a disappointment to have to start over. But I really love this pattern. Just saying. I just don't love it in this color yarn. It'll be in the car.
Yeah, so she sent me, oh, this is really pretty yarn. And I'm gonna work on this today, and then when I post the video, I'm going to show you how much I've completed. How many rows did you complete? Let's count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rows. So I'm starting at 14 rows. This is called the Project Exchange Program, and it's been started by Sanita. No, just kidding. Yeah. So I'm gonna work on that, and then I will come back a little bit later. Here it is. Look how shiny. Shiny. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, no. So I believe, what did I count? 14? Let me check. So I marked the row that she left off on when she sent it to me. And I did 13 rows, and she sent it to me at 14. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's gotten bigger. And then I have this much left. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? How pretty is this? It's glittering. If you guys don't know Sanita, you guys need to know Sanita. That's all.